Okay, so I have my mom home my phone right now because there's no place to put it. But I got 2 Sonny Angels, and I want to open them. Okay, I'm gonna do the Marine series first, and the ones I'm just gonna say the ones I don't want because they're all so cute. Okay, I don't want the potato. I don't know. Well, I can't really see them the best. The whale, seahorse, or jellyfish. Okay. I want all the rest of them. I have no idea if these are real or not, but a little hard to open up. Oh no, its head is off. I'm not looking. Where? Okay, I'm just gonna look. Oh, I got the shark! Oh my gosh, I wanted the shark. Oh, so cute. Okay, now you can put on a phone case. Not yet, we got 5 minutes. Okay, and then the animal series. I'm also gonna say the ones I just don't want. I don't want the horse. I don't know about the anteater, like down maybe. I don't want the Shiba Inu or the cat one, the buffalo, or the alopecia. Okay. Oh, that's a good. Oh, I want the hippo so bad. Okay. The Shiba Inu. I said I didn't want this one.
What is it?
The Shiba Inu.
Oh.
But it's cute. At least it isn't the cat. I don't like cats. Well, it kind of matches my hair. Okay, so I got the Shiba Inu. So cute. Okay. That's one haul. I have no idea if these are real or not, but they're so cute. And I love them so much. And they kind of might be, they kind of do things they are, but so I know it's $10 and like that's cheap. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe because duh. I don't know. Anyways.